This is the full guide on how to set up your SOS messages on your Samsung Galaxy A11. Make sure we're talking about the same phone, has this 3-camera system, sensor in the back. Let's get started. All right, to set up your SOS messages, let's go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Advanced Features, touch Advanced Features, and then at the very bottom, Send SOS Messages. So if you need to know what the SOS messages is, press the side key quickly 3 times to send a quick alert to your emergency contacts when you're in an emergency situation. Let's turn that on. Now it gives you 3 more options. We'll skip send message to for a moment. We'll come right back to it. But you have the ability to toggle on and off, attach a picture taken using the front and rear cameras, attach audio recording, attach 5-second audio recording, and you can toggle that on or off. If you're going to use the SOS messaging system, I would have those both toggled on. All right, now let's talk about this one, send messages to, and I have reliable friend, but let's go over how to add someone from your contacts. And this is a discussion you need to have with your family members. If you're traveling, hiking, going on vacation, going to a new city, and everyone in your party has to decide who's going to be the emergency contact in case something goes poorly. So let's create a contact, and let's name this reliable travel friend 1. Oh, that's fine. Reliable travel friend 1. And whatever the phone number is, press save. And now you're done. So let's see what happens if send messages to, I've got 2. Let's double check it if it sends it to both. Yes, it does. So I don't know what the limit is on how many people you can send messages to, but it makes sense to send a message to person in charge, a reliable friend, family member, loved one, in case you have any sort of emergency. And obviously I can't define what an emergency is for you, but it's nice to know that all you have to do is push your phone button 3 times quickly and messages will be sent out for you. And that is the only... Let me double check here. Yeah, that is the only method on this Samsung Galaxy A11. Let me show you on a newer phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy. This is a S22 Ultra. And inside settings, they have a safety and emergency section here where you can insert your medical information, emergency contacts. The emergency SOS system is a little bit more robust where you push it 5 times, but it does a couple things for you. It actually will call 911 for you. You can change that if you would rather skip 911 or if it's not reliable in your area. And then it will also send text messages to your emergency contacts. So it might be worth a discussion, especially if you have elderly parents or travel partners. Is it time to upgrade your phone? Because this one only sends a text message. This one will actually call 911 for you. All right, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.